Have you heard about the latest health trend? The blue salt trick is making waves, especially among men, thanks to its surprising health benefits and simple preparation. But what is Persian blue salt really? And can it live up to the hype? In today's video, you'll learn all about this rare mineral salt, its powerful effects on hydration, energy, and digestion, and how to make a refreshing, customizable drink that fits into almost any health routine. What is Persian blue salt? Persian blue salt is one of the rarest and most exotic salts in the world. It's mined from ancient salt deposits in the Semnan province of Iran, formed millions of years ago when inland seas evaporated. Its dazzling blue crystals are not artificial. They get their color from sylvanite, a potassium-rich mineral. This salt isn't just beautiful, it's also packed with trace minerals like magnesium, calcium, potassium, and iron. Unlike processed salt, which is stripped of nutrients and often contains additives like anti-caking agents, Persian blue salt is natural, unrefined, and mineral-rich, making it a healthier alternative. It adds more than just flavor to your food or drinks. It contributes to your body's overall mineral balance and can support essential physiological functions, from nerve signaling to muscle contraction and fluid regulation. Health benefits of the blue salt trick. So, why are people turning to this vibrant salt as part of their wellness routine? One of the key benefits of Persian blue salt is its ability to replenish electrolytes lost during sweating or physical exertion. After exercise, your body needs more than just water. It needs minerals to restore fluid balance and prevent muscle cramps, fatigue, or dizziness. This is where blue salt comes in. It also supports optimal hydration. The minerals in this salt help your body absorb and retain water more efficiently, which means better hydration at the cellular level. This can improve energy levels, skin appearance, brain function, and even digestion. Speaking of digestion, blue salt has mild alkalizing effects that can soothe the stomach, reduce bloating, and encourage smoother bowel movements. The magnesium content, in particular, can also help regulate blood sugar. It can calm the nervous system and promote deeper sleep. It's an all-around wellness booster that goes far beyond the kitchen. How to make the blue salt drink? The best part. It's incredibly easy to make. Here's what you need. 1 teaspoon of authentic Persian blue salt, 1 cup of filtered water, and optional add-ins like fresh lemon juice, honey, or mint leaves. Start by adding the salt to the water and stirring until it completely dissolves. The drink has a slightly mineral taste, which you can enhance with a few drops of lemon juice, not only for flavor but also for its alkalizing and detoxifying effects. A teaspoon of raw honey adds a touch of sweetness and natural enzymes, while mint leaves offer a cool, calming sensation. For better results, drink this first thing in the morning to replenish your body after a night's rest. It's also great post-workout or during a hot day when you need to stay hydrated and energized. Custom variations for every health goal. You can easily tailor this drink to meet your specific needs. For a detoxifying boost, add cucumber slices and a pinch of turmeric. Cucumber hydrates and flushes out toxins, while turmeric fights inflammation. Need more energy? Add coconut water instead of plain water. It's full of natural electrolytes and helps prevent fatigue. Want a cooling treat? Blend the drink with ice cubes and watermelon chunks for a summer slushie. Watermelon is hydrating and rich in lycopene, which is good for your skin and heart. Craving a spicy kick? Add a pinch of cayenne pepper to stimulate metabolism and circulation. You can even add a few chia seeds and let the drink sit for 10 minutes. The seeds will swell up and provide fiber, omega-3s, and a satisfying texture. Great for digestion and satiety. Is the blue salt trick worth it? With so many trendy health hacks out there, it's easy to get skeptical. But the blue salt trick offers real, science-backed benefits. It's not just another passing fad. From better hydration and energy recovery to improved digestion and stress relief, this simple drink taps into the healing power of nature. Just be sure to buy authentic Persian blue salt. Many imitation products don't offer the same mineral profile or health effects. Look for trusted sources, ideally with certificates of authenticity or lab testing. Whether you're an athlete, a busy professional, or someone simply looking to feel better and more energized each day, this refreshing drink can be a game changer in your routine. The science behind why it works. The body relies on a delicate balance of minerals to function properly. Electrolytes like sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium are critical for muscle function, hydration, nerve transmission, and pH balance. When you're dehydrated or lacking in these minerals, you may experience fatigue, brain fog, muscle cramps, or low energy. What makes Persian blue salt unique is that it contains these minerals in their natural ionic form, which makes them more bioavailable, meaning your body can absorb and use them more efficiently. Drinking a blue salt solution, especially in the morning or after intense sweating, can rapidly restore this mineral balance. In contrast, regular table salt is heavily refined and often devoid of these healthful elements. It may increase sodium levels, but does nothing to support your body's mineral needs, making Persian blue salt a superior option. Many wellness enthusiasts now swear by the blue salt drink as a morning ritual to kickstart their metabolism, energize their cells, and support digestion before breakfast. It can help stimulate bowel movements, reduce morning fatigue, and even curb sugar cravings throughout the day. But it's not just for the morning. After a workout or sauna session, this drink serves as a natural recovery tonic, rehydrating the body and easing muscle tension. If you often feel drained after physical activity or notice signs of dehydration like dry skin, headaches, or dizziness, this simple drink might be the missing piece in your recovery routine. Did you know that minerals like magnesium are directly linked to mood regulation and mental clarity? Magnesium helps lower cortisol, the body's stress hormone, and supports the production of serotonin, the feel-good neurotransmitter. Adding Persian blue salt to your routine might contribute to a more stable mood, reduced anxiety, and better sleep. It's a small but meaningful way to support mental resilience during times of stress, especially when combined with calming ingredients like lemon, mint, or chamomile. Hydration plays a major role in skin health, and blue salt can help you glow from the inside out. When your body is well hydrated and full of trace minerals, your skin becomes more elastic, clear, and radiant. Proper mineral balance can also help reduce puffiness and inflammation, two common culprits in premature aging. Plus, minerals like zinc and magnesium are known to combat free radical damage, support collagen production, and reduce oxidative stress, all of which help slow down signs of aging. While blue salt alone isn't a magic weight loss solution, it can support your efforts in meaningful ways. By improving hydration and mineral intake, it helps regulate appetite hormones like ghrelin and leptin, making you feel more satisfied and less likely to overeat. Starting your day with this drink may also reduce cravings for salty or sugary processed foods. And if you're following intermittent fasting, it can serve as a great fasting-friendly hydration option, as it contains no calories but plenty of support for your electrolyte needs. Not all blue salts are created equal. When shopping, look for authentic Persian blue salt that comes from Iran, preferably lab-tested for purity. The real version is semi-transparent with vivid blue streaks, and it should be sold in crystal or fine-grained form, never artificially dyed. You'll often find fakes or imitations online labeled as blue salt, but made from colored Himalayan or sea salts, which don't provide the same mineral profile. Always buy from reputable sellers who offer full ingredient transparency. While most people can benefit from Persian blue salt in moderation, it's not for everyone. If you have kidney disease, high blood pressure, or are on a sodium-restricted diet, consult your doctor first. Even though it contains beneficial minerals, it's still salt and should be consumed mindfully. Pregnant women and those with adrenal or thyroid issues may also need tailored advice before using mineral-rich drinks regularly. The blue salt trick blends ancient wisdom with modern wellness. It's a reminder that sometimes the simplest things, a pinch of mineral salt in a glass of water, can have profound effects on your health, energy, and mood. Whether you're looking to boost hydration, reduce stress, recover from exercise, or support digestion, this natural tonic is worth adding to your daily toolkit. So, why not give it a try? Start with a basic recipe, then experiment with add-ins to find your perfect blend. Cultural significance of Persian blue salt. Persian blue salt isn't just a trendy ingredient, it has a rich cultural and historical background. Harvested from the ancient salt lakes of Iran, this salt has been used for centuries in Persian cuisine and traditional medicine. In ancient times, it was considered a rare luxury, often traded for spices and silks along historic trade routes like the Silk Road. Traditional healers used it not only for its mineral content but also for its perceived energetic qualities. Believing it could purify the body, ward off negative energy, and balance internal elements. While modern science focuses more on the mineral profile, this long-standing reverence adds a layer of cultural richness to every crystal. By incorporating Persian blue salt into your routine, you're not just nourishing your body, you're also connecting to centuries-old wellness traditions that honored the natural healing powers of the earth. How it compares to other salts. There are a variety of specialty salts available today: Himalayan pink salt, Celtic sea salt, red Hawaiian salt, but Persian blue salt stands apart in both appearance and composition. Its vivid color is not only rare but signifies a different mineral structure, higher in potassium and magnesium compared to many sea salts. Himalayan salt, while rich in trace minerals, contains more iron, giving it its signature pink hue. Celtic salt tends to be high in moisture and is ideal for culinary use, while Persian blue salt is prized for both its flavor and health-enhancing properties. It's crunchier and drier in texture, which makes it dissolve quickly in water. Ideal for drinks and tonics. If you're choosing a salt based on wellness goals, Persian blue salt is a great pick for those focused on hydration, stress relief, and mineral balance. Blue salt for skin and beauty routines. Beyond drinking, Persian blue salt can be used topically in beauty routines. Create a gentle exfoliating scrub by mixing crushed blue salt crystals with coconut oil and a few drops of lavender essential oil. This combo helps remove dead skin, unclog pores, and restore the skin's mineral balance. You can also make a mineral-rich bath soak using Persian blue salt, Epsom salt, and a few slices of citrus. The result? A relaxing, detoxifying bath that eases muscle tension and supports circulation. Your skin will feel smoother, and your body will thank you for the mineral replenishment. Adding blue salt to your skincare or bath routine brings a luxurious, spa-like experience right into your home. Electrolytes versus energy drinks. Many people turn to sugary sports drinks to rehydrate and boost energy. However, these drinks often contain high levels of refined sugar, artificial dyes, and synthetic additives that do more harm than good. A blue salt drink, by contrast, offers a cleaner, more natural alternative. It provides electrolytes from natural sources, without the sugar crash or unwanted chemicals. You can further enhance the electrolyte profile by adding lemon, which contains vitamin C and potassium, or coconut water, which is naturally rich in sodium, magnesium, and calcium. If you're looking to cut down on caffeine, sugar, or processed beverages, this is a smart substitute that supports your body at the cellular level. Travel tip: stay hydrated on the go. Traveling can dehydrate you quickly, especially during flights, long drives, or hot climates. Pack a small container of Persian blue salt in your carry-on and add a pinch to bottled water throughout the day. It's a convenient and effective way to prevent travel fatigue, dry skin, and bloating caused by water retention. Many people don't realize that dehydration is a common cause of jet lag symptoms. By sipping a mineral-infused water regularly, you'll support your energy levels, reduce inflammation, and keep your system functioning smoothly, no matter where you are. Pair it with herbal teas or infusions. Looking to switch things up from plain water? Try adding Persian blue salt to your favorite herbal teas or fruit infusions. Chamomile, peppermint, or ginger tea work especially well and can be enjoyed hot or cold. The salt enhances mineral absorption and balances the natural diuretic effects of some herbal blends. Want something more vibrant? Infuse your water with orange slices, berries, or cucumber. Then stir in a pinch of blue salt for a naturally flavored electrolyte drink that supports immunity, digestion, and hydration. This is a great option if you're trying to drink more water but find plain water boring. It turns hydration into a flavorful, beneficial ritual. Using blue salt for mental clarity, dehydration, and mineral imbalance don't just affect your body, they affect your brain. Even mild dehydration can reduce concentration, slow reaction times, and increase feelings of irritability or brain fog.